I have a 7-year-old daughter with my ex. He's now married to someone else, and them have 2 sons, but my daughter is him heartstring because she favor him mother bad, bad, bad. Now, from she born, I've never cut her hair. But keep it natural, take care of it myself, and it grow long and thick. When I wash and blow dry it, it reach almost to our waist. Anytime I carry her go to beauty salon or she's just out and about, people always a compliment her hair. Whenever she goes to stay with our father, we make sure that our hair well done for last the entirety of our visit because I know the stress for maintaining it. I don't want the next woman to have nothing for complain and be frustrated about regarding my child. Last weekend, she got to our father for Saturday for come back Sunday. She just wanted our hair up in a bun, so I put it into a very neat little bun and sent her on our way. Here comes Sunday night and our father bring her home, and as soon as I open the door, this man apologize and me confused. Me I wonder why I'm so sorry about that him all a stammer and no make no sense. Until me see my daughter a come out time vehicle. The little girl here gone. Me nearly dropped down. Me ask her what happened, and she's crying, she's inconsolable. She say her stepmother cut her hair. Fear full father still that I say some gibberish, but the woman not even asking before she do it, like that I gonna make some kind of difference. So, me call her same time. And the woman I tell me about, well, she's gonna go to high school eventually, so she would have to cut it anyway. And our hair too long, see her age anyway, it's a distraction. Then this junker have the audacity to say, what she did was the best thing for me and my daughter. I tell her some things, you see? I tell her some real things and make she know, say, since she know what best for me and my daughter, me gonna reciprocate and me gonna do something for she that's in her best interest, where fear mama should have been do. Me gonna sort her out properly, man. She go and regret the day she ever crossed paths with me and mine. This fool man I try calm me down bout, oh, should ever mean nothing by it. I hear it will grow back, but I am not hearing a thing what he must say. You see, Monday, I had to take off of work for deal with my child because she refused to leave our bed, the poor child traumatized. So I say, you know what? Me gonna chat to this gal in person since she's so big and she's so bad and she know what's in my best interest. So I go around at them house about 11 o'clock in the morning and the helper tell me so she not dead and say she around our shop, so she give me the address. So I pull up. I walk in, and this reticulated giraffe instantly tough up her face. So I ask her why she cut my pitney here. You know what this junker biggest concern was? What was I doing at her business place, and if her husband knew that I was there? Instead of reasoning with me, she started chat about how me too full of myself, and how me I pass it along to my daughter, and about how my 7-year-old need to be humbled because she thinks she's all of that. Then this idiot I gotta say, even our father get over it. So why me? I go on so. Me clearly are over here. I'm not tell a lie. I promise you, I'm not tell a lie. You see, before me even realize what was happening, my right hand go so zoops and move before my brain even catch up. And it's like my right hand get on my nice one and land her one ratted slap clean across her face. The either drop a ground. I don't know where this strength came from, but suddenly it's like me and she would drop on one riverside. And she had the dirty clothes that I had to wash. So I scrub her, I scripts her, I beat her. I did my best to sanitize the ground that she had besmirched by falling onto it. Our staff come and I try to part the fight, so but I didn't really manage to tear out 2 fistfuls of her hair before them pull me off far. I get up and I say, all right, you know what? May I leave? And the friggin' pinata jump up again, like she bad, and fling a stone in my windscreen. So me have to drape her again and slap her 2 box this time. Believe, me drive out and she did a ball for police and a ball for her husband. She lucky me never drive my car straight through she and her idiot place. Now my baby father called on my phone. And I'm not answering it because, truthfully, me done with him. If he can't protect his child, she don't need to be around him. My daughter will not be going anywhere near them because the next time something happens to my child, Jordan will go roll. And the sweet chariot, it is going to swing low, and there will be curry goat and manish water on board. Now this jackass a text me about police, and mommy I tell me to calm down and talk to them. And I tell her, I say, look here, him can't talk to my attorney, because papers will be filed, so I can have full formal custody. Everything between me and him will be formalized with no unsupervised visitation, and visitation cannot be at him yard. So, they mess around, and this is the result. And thankfully, my father have sense, him not soft-hearted like my mother, and he also believes that this is the best approach. But other people are telling me, just kind of work with him because now him in the middle and him a go suffer and your daughter go lose her father. So, what on you think me fi do?